So, good afternoon, sir. I am Christian Joseph C. Palma, your best MT third year student from Section Canopus. So, the topic is display of other navigational information display, mode, and generation of the neighboring area. So, radar information and AIS information may be transferred from system or compliant with the relevant standards of the organization. Other navigational information may be added to the ECDIS display. However, it should not degrade the display system database information, and it should be clearly distinguishable from the system database information. So ang reader information and AIS information is be transferred from system sa standard of the organization. Then next is it should be possible to remove the radar information, AIS information, and other navigational information by single operator action. So it should be an ang radar information ng AIS information daw is dapat daw ma-remove by single operation action. Then 7.3, ICDIS and added navigational information should use a common reference system. If this is not the case, an indication should be provided. So, dapat daw ICDIS is magamit nga og common reference system. Then 7.4, radar. So, transferred radar information may contain a radar image or track target information. If the radar image is added to the ECDIS display, the chart and the radar image should match in scale, projection, and orientation. The radar image and the position from the sensors should be adjusted automatically for antenna offset from the canning position. So, dapat daw ng radar information is matransferred na radar image or track target information sa nga mo display sa ECDIS. And then it should na chart radar's image should match in scale. Mag-match na po sa scale, projection, and orientation. So dapat kung sa kanay gi-transferred na information sa radar, dapat mag-match sa ECDIS in scale, projection, and orientation. Then it should always be possible to display the system database information in a north-up orientation. Other orientations are permitted. When such orientations are displayed, the orientation should be altered in steps large enough to avoid unstable display to the chart information. So dapat system database information north up and mag north up orientation, and then it should be altered in steps large enough to avoid unstable display of the chart information. So ECDIS should provide for true motion mode. Other modes are permitted. So dapat mag-provide ang ECDIS in a true motion. Then when true motion mode is in use, receipt and generation of the chart display of the neighboring area should take place automatically at own ship distance from the edge of the display as determined by the mariner. And then 8.4, it should be possible to manually change the display chart area and the position of own ship relative to the edge of the display. So dapat manually change the display chart and position of own ship. 8.5, if the area covered by this display includes waters from which no ANC at the scale appropriate for navigational is available, the areas representing those waters should carry an indication to the mariner to refer to the paper chart or to the RCDS mode of operation. So dapat na yung mga indication ng mga panghatag information sa ICDIS. And then that's it, sir, and thank you.